Hi everyone, John Osipinski. If you've been dealing with anxiety, and I'll include depression, panic attacks, really not feeling well mentally, then you have to understand how anxiety, MS, Parkinson's, Huntington's, ALS, and schizophrenia have all been linked to the buildup of cellular waste. So researchers found they had obese mice that had anxiety. And these obese mice had a lot of senescent cells, cellular waste in the brain. When they removed this cellular waste, the anxiety left. That's important if you have anxiety. It's really about your brain becoming more toxic. And it's because your lymphatic system is not functioning. Researchers found that in 2015, we have lymphatic vessels in our brain that are meant to clean the brain. If you'd like to help anxiety and help how you feel mentally and physically, check out our Facebook page, Lymphatic System Health Mastery. It will change your life. You can also check out our website, healthylymphsystem.com. You will see the lymphatic system is really missed in the understanding of health and disease. And if you want to feel better mentally, you have to include your lymphatic system. Contact me on the Facebook group, Lymphatic System Health Mastery, or my Facebook group, or my webpage, Osipinski Health Academy, and I'll answer any of your questions. If this makes sense, like my post and please tell others. Have a great day.